cookie instead.
Hey YouTube! So today I'm gonna be using my beloved JETBOIL to try to make something that's not conventional, not just a coffee or tea or curry or the ramen. Today I picked up the Topokki. Picked this up from the nearby supermarket. Topokki is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's the famous and popular Korean dish. It's a stir-fried rice cake with some hot chili sauce. It doesn't call for much at all. Just a little bit of water and maybe some cut up vegetables, which I only found onion in the fridge, so I'm just gonna be using onion. So let's see how we do. Check it out. Let's put this together first. We need to put some water to boil, obviously. Turn this guy. Gas. And turn on the pilot. Right here. There you go. Once the water boils, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these guys in there. Here's a rice cake. I don't know if you can see this, but once it starts to boil, the color here will change from dark, sort of gray, into yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss this mochi in there. About 1 minute? 1 minute. Alright, that's about 1 minute now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And then we'll toss the water, hot water. And then I'm gonna come right back with the cut up onion. I'm gonna go ahead and toss the topokki in here. Okay, it says to add water, about 20 cc of water with the sauce to stir fry both the vegetables and then topokki. But I think I prefer to have the topokki put away for now and then just cook the vegetables first and then toss in the topokki later. Some sauce. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Let's check to see how it tastes. Oh, look at this. Alright, here we go. Very chewy. Very consistent like mochi. The sauce is not too hot. The onion has a little bit of sweetness to it. Very good. Alright, so topokki is a success. Holly, thanks for vacuuming. Subscribe.